Want a US bank account while living in Pakistan without flying to America? Here's the fastest, legit path most people miss. First, are you getting personal or freelance income or business income? For freelancers, Fintech receiving accounts can provide USD routing and account details so clients can pay you like a US account. Examples include Wise and Payoneer. Availability and features vary by country. Always check inside your account and terms. These are not full-service personal bank accounts. For a real business account, form a US LLC, get an EIN, then apply remotely with an online business bank, Mercury, that serves non-US founders of US-based companies. Expect ID verification and business checks. Approval is always case by case. Prepare LLC formation docs plus operating agreement, IRS EIN letter, passport plus a second ID if available, US business address, registered agent or virtual office, proof of activity website, invoices, contracts. Want this done step by step? LLC, EIN, and the right account for your case? DM Bank and our Pakistan-based team will set it up for you.